In the beginning of this session, Shrav illustrated to us how and why it is important that we engage with our customers. He also briefly talked about the tools that we can make use of to draw and partner with our valuable members. Throughout the session, my team members showed us how important it is to stay connected to our members in this digital era and the steps that we can take to set ourselves apart. We also talked about the significance of providing a safe and secure environment for our members to interact and collaborate with other members and the organization itself. In this part of the meeting, I'll be walking you through the importance of planning a successful member portal implementation and also demonstrating some key features that we can utilize to attract and retain members. As part of the planning phase of the implementation, we need to answer a few key questions. Some of them are, what is the purpose of the community? Why are we building this community? Who are the end users of the community? And which industry do they belong to? Do they belong to just one industry or are they spread across different industries? Which time zones do they belong to? And what language do they use to communicate in? Answering these key questions helps us lay a strong foundation for a successful portal implementation. In order for us to select a suitable license and license type for the portal, we need to understand the level of collaboration that we're planning to establish with our customers. We need to understand what the volume and frequency of logins for the portal is going to be. So some of the questions that we need to answer when it comes to licenses are we planning to engage by only providing services to our customers, or are we going to partner with our customers to upsell our products? What kind of information are we planning to share with our members in portal? Which internal objects are we going to provide access to our members, and the level of access we are planning to provide to our members? Level of access could be read, write, and or create. Are we going to provide access to third-party systems? And what is the expected traffic for a given portal? So in order for you to navigate these tricky situations, we'll be sharing some of the Salesforce knowledge articles related to license and license types. That helps you make an informed decision if you decide to go with Salesforce. Documenting and finalizing the use cases plays a key role in understanding the business process and the requirements of the organization. Once the use cases are approved, we commence the design of the community. Selecting the right template plays a crucial role in increasing the uptake for the community. Salesforce provides some well-designed out-of-the-box templates that we can use. If the requirements for the organization are not met via these out-of-the-box templates, Salesforce also provides you the required tools to build your own template. In order for you to make an informed decision, we will also be sharing some key articles published by Salesforce that helps you select the right templates. Multiple factors play an extensive role in making a portal implementation a success. We would like to provide a few pointers based on our previous experience implementing member portal across membership organizations. The key is to utilize out-of-the-box components as much as we could and only use custom components or third-party products when required. This approach serves two purposes. One, keeps the cost of the project under budget. Two, is to reduce the dependency on technical resources. The added advantage of this approach is that it increases the reach of your Salesforce admin. With the initial design approved, always request for an implementation team to build a proof of concept to demonstrate key functionalities. This provides a view for our customers, which is you, on what to expect from the product, and lets us provide feedback at early stages. For the implementation team, it provides the confidence in design and also any course correction if required. Setting up and monitoring analytics for communities. Setting up analytics for your community portal provides key insights into your customer behavior. For example, you would like to know what the members are discussing within the groups within your community, what topics are they discussing about, and the list of most visited pages. By analyzing this, we can take steps to reach us. For example, by knowing the most visited pages in the community, we can advertise our upcoming events and courses and also add a donation form if required. Now I'll be demonstrating some of the key features within Salesforce. This slide outlines a list of functionalities that we'll be demonstrating today. Homepage, which is also a landing page, will be providing portal members the interactive, personalized transaction and rich content. Members will be able to search within the community for any information that they require. We will also be demonstrating how we can use leaderboard and recognition badges to attract members to the community and increase the collaboration with members. For collaboration, we'll be discussing on how we'll be providing a safe space for members to collaborate and interact with other members. For member engagement, we'll also be showing how we can have deeper engagement with members using different components that we have built. For today's demo, we'll be showing how members can apply for scholarships and how staff can access the submitted application and action it. Quality content is king. Throughout the demo, I will be illustrating how we can provide meaningful and interesting content for end users in a simple and easy to access way. We'll also be showing how we can personalize the content based on the membership level. As Shaf covered in his session, the importance of providing round-the-clock support during these difficult times, I'll be showing you how we can support our members using Chatbot and contact support. Without further ado, let's jump into the member portal. As a member logs in, Suan is the member, and as you can see, she is treated with a customized personal message, welcome message. We can customize this welcome message based on different attributes. For example, we can use the geographic location of the logged in member to provide a personalized welcome message, and also use the date of birth to provide any greeting message during the birthday. As we scroll down, we can see the flaming topics. This shows the topics that members within the community are discussing. I'll be illustrating the flaming topics in a short while. The next session is my events and my enrollments. Using these two sessions, we'll be showing personalized transaction contents for each members. In this case, Suan has enrolled in a course for Humanities Portion Enrichment 100. Gives you the name of the course, the date which the course is to be held in, and the status of the enrollment. As we scroll down, you can see the tricks for the month. This shows the rich content that we can expose to the members within the community. This content can be constantly updated to make it more interesting for members to engage within the community by system admin. On your right-hand side, you can see there's Mastery Special. So like I said earlier, we can provide targeted personalized content for members based on their membership. When you log in as an OS member, you won't be able to access this particular content. So as you click on this, it takes you to the actual content which you want to export to the member. This could be anything from a website, a research article, or a particular video that you want to show only for Mastery level members. As we scroll down, you can see the leadership board and the recognition badges. This is basically how we use gamification to promote members to engage within the community. Here you can see Suan is second in the leaderboard with 86 points, and she's a level 4 expert members. And you can see other members who are intermediate and beginners as well. So the points can be configured depending upon client's requirements. So points could be, say, for example, Suan answers a question within the portal or posts a question, or say if a likes comment provides feedback liking an article. Everything gets added and the points for Suan keeps increasing. As you scroll down, you can see recognition badges. So recognition badges is a way of appreciation that admin can provide to members for their contribution towards the community. Suan has a couple of badges and we'd like to view all the badges. Here you can see a list of all badges which Suan has been awarded. And then you can see one for thanks, and then the message that comes up with it saying you're the best. Using these two tools, we can encourage members to help each other within the community and also spread the awareness within the community. As If you scroll down, you can see the contact support button. I will be illustrating about this in a short while. In the bottom, what we have is an iframe for the RSS feed that we have shown. Currently, we are showing our customer stories for data collector, but we can show any web form or any of the social media contents, even your Twitter feed or news feed can be showed and be personalized for your members. Going back to the flaming topics, this is a list of topics which the members are currently discussing within the community. Suan wants to know more about what are the discussions going on for member benefits. She clicks on the topic and she sees that already there's 2 questions that has been asked around this topic. On the right-hand side, you can see what is this topic about and the number of posts on this topic and the number of articles related to this topic. Suan being a member, she can also post a question. She can follow this topic and also gets to view the list of trending articles related to this topic. In the bottom, you can see a list of knowledgeable people. So people within the community get added to this list when their answers get selected as the best answer. I'm just going to click on one of the questions. So Suan wants to know if she can take a guest to one of the Movance events. And then she's already posted this question and she can see that Stephane has answered this question and the Movance admin has confirmed that the answer is right. So in this case, Suan selects Stephane's answer as the best answer. On the right-hand side, you can also see the related questions for this topic and the number of people who have viewed this question, sorry. And also you can see the trending articles related to this topic. And Suan would like to know more about if she wants to change the enrollment, what is the process for it. So she clicks on the article, reads through the article and finds the article interesting and helpful. So she provides feedback by clicking on the like button, which she's already done. And on the right-hand side, you can also see the related articles and the number of views on each article. As we go back to the homepage, you can see the navigation menu that's been neatly designed. And being a new member, she wants to explore more on how she can interact with other members within the community. So we're navigating to My Groups. In My Groups, there's 2 different types of groups that currently Suan is part of. One is private and one is public. So private groups is where you request to become a member and only the members within the group will be able to see the content. So I'm just going to open the private group. Here, Suan can manage the notifications. Basically, that's the email that gets sent out for the group. And she can either get a notification for every post, daily digest, or a limited version of it. On the right-hand side, you get to see the description of the group and some more information about the group and the email address, the owner of the group. You can also see the list of members for the group and their role within the group as well. As we scroll down, we can also see any files that have been shared with the members of the group, and that's only visible for members within the group. So what is the main difference between a group and the topic? So when you post a question within the topics, it is answered by anyone from the portal. Whereas if you post a question or a poll within the group, it is only visible and can be answered only by the members within the group. So here you can see there's a lot of discussion that's been currently going on. Suan has logged in, posted a question, and then some of the people have actually answered the question. And you can also post any polls, any feedback that required from members. So in this case, Harry has posted a question saying, where do we meet this Friday for members? And then you can select hotel of your interest and then click on vote. And you can also see what are the members voted and what are the chances of grand hotel. Happy with what Suan has seen, she wants to know more about Movance, so she clicks on the About Us. Here, we provided a brief description of what Movance is and what they stand for, and our vision, what Movance wants to promote. As she scrolls down, she finds scholarships. So scholarships, being in difficult times, she wants to know more about scholarships. So we click on Learn More. Under Learn More, there's a list of requirements for the scholarship on what the scholarship actually does, and board members in the scholarship. So really interested with the scholarship, Suvan wants to try a lot. So she clicks on apply. Here, you need to be nominated by 2 members from the community for you to apply for a scholarship. And then you select your type of expertise for Magic, your citizenship. In this case, have you applied for scholarship before? No. And then you provide the case for your scholarship. So here, as part of requirements, you need to support 2 supporting documents. One is your income proof. And your citizenship proof. After uploading the documents, Suvan is presented with a thank you message. And a case for scholarship has been successfully submitted. I'm just going to quickly show you the backend where a staff receives the application that Suvan submitted. As you can see, this is the list of all the scholarship applications that are being currently submitted. And we can see that the latest application for scholarship has been submitted by Suvan. When you open the application, you can see all the details that Suvan has provided, like the nominating person, the level of Magic, and the citizenship, and also supporting documents for a scholarship request. So the staff member can view the documents that's been submitted and make informed decisions based on it. I'm just going to go back to the community portal again. Suvan, feeling confident about a scholarship application, wants to explore more. And then she wants to know what member updates that Movans has published. Here, what we have done is we have bundled up all the rich content from the community that interests the member in a newsletter, and we have exposed it to the members. As you scroll down, you can see there's different interviews. There's some information about who the latest scholarship winner is, and a list of upcoming courses and events. Suvan wants to know who the latest scholarship winner was, and she clicks on read more. And she reads through the article, finds it really helpful, and then she provides a feedback by clicking the like button. So when Suvan made a payment for her mastery level membership, one of her perks was to have specific content for mastery level members. So she clicks on portions for you, and she finds there's a specific list of content that is only available for mastery members. That's been, say, for example, there's one for secrets of being a good magician. She clicks on the article, finds the article really helpful. Again, she provides her feedback and constantly engages within the community, providing the like button. And during these difficult times, Suvan is struggling to make her membership payments and wants to know what kind of help she can get from Movans. So she clicks on chat with an expert. Here you can see her name and email address is pre-populated, and Suvan enters the subject. What we have built here is a chatbot that provides 24 hours support for our members, displays a welcome message, and provides a list of support items that the chat can help members with. So Suvan selects covert support. Under covert support, again, there's 3 different items. So Suvan wants help with the membership fees support, so she clicks on that. What's happening here is as we chat with the bot, it is creating a case in the backend for one of the staff members to contact Suan regarding her fee support help. So the case has been successfully logged, and then a thank you message has been published by the bot. Having applied for member support, Suan wants to run a magic show to help other struggling magicians. So she goes into the search for magician screen. She can see all the a list of magicians, and then searches for Stephine. On the right-hand side, you can see some brief details about Stephine. Suan liking what she sees, so she clicks on View Full Profile. Here, you can see complete details of Stephine, what her interests are, what her membership type is, what is her influence within the community, with what recognition badges she has received, which group she belongs to, and also all the interactions that Stephine has had with the community members. Impressed with what Suan sees, she would like to book Stephine for a magic show. Suan provides a suitable date and a suitable time and submits the request. Having submitted the request for magic show, Suan just remembers that she needs to do a children's check in order for us to do magic shows on behalf of Nomads. So just goes and checks, types children's check in the search button, and then you can see there's an article coming up. She opens up the article, depending upon which state she belongs on the link. And she is provided with a useful list of contents. Suan applies for her children's check using the link, and then happy with the content, she provides a feedback by providing a like button. And towards the end, when Suan was just thinking about the chat that she had with the bot, she remembered that she can also get government help for COVID support. So she just clicks on the contact support button. And then she wants to log a case to understand what level of support she can get from the government for COVID. As she types COVID, you can see a list of articles coming up on the right-hand side. And then she finds there are a couple of articles that have been liked by members and also the date it was published. So she finds an article on government support for COVID. She reads through the article. Depending upon the state she belongs to, she clicks on the article. Finding the information really helpful. She doesn't want to proceed with logging the case anymore. So she answers the question saying she doesn't want to. She answers the question saying, yes, our issue has been resolved. And then she wants to stop creating a case. As you have seen, we have used Salesforce community where we are able to provide safe space for members to collaborate and have a deeper engagement with other members. We are also able to illustrate how we can provide quality, interactive, personalized content. That concludes the demo for today.